In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Relevance AI agents. This guide will walk you through all the steps needed to build and deploy your very own AI agent using Relevance AI. Let's get started by navigating to the Relevance AI website, which you can find as the hub for creating intelligent and responsive agents tailored for business needs. This platform offers a range of tools that make the process efficient and user-friendly. Once you're on the website, the first thing you need to do is click on the login button. If you already have an account, you'll be prompted to enter your email address in the login screen. Carefully type in your email to ensure you've got it right, as any typos might prevent you from accessing your account. After entering your email, go ahead and click on Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you enter your credentials securely. If you forgot your password, the same screen usually offers a way to reset it. Once you've entered your password, simply click Continue again to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. The dashboard serves as the central hub from which you'll initiate and manage your projects. Look for the Agents section. This is where you can begin creating your AI agent. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see an option to create a new agent. Clicking on this will open up two options: a guided setup and a build from scratch option. If you're new to creating AI agents, the guided option provides templates like chatbots and workflows that can greatly simplify the setup process. However, if you're experienced or have a specific idea in mind, you might choose to start from scratch. With the setup option selected, you will enter the agent settings page. Here, you'll need to provide an agent name and add a concise description. Choose an AI model that best suits your needs from the ones available. Once you've filled in these settings, you can click Continue to proceed to the Workflows section. In the Workflows tab, you'll set up triggers, actions, and conditions for your agent. Triggers are essential as they outline what events will cause your agent to take action. Begin by clicking on Add your first trigger. Think carefully about the interactions you expect and set conditions that reflect those needs. Next, it's time to test your agent by clicking Run Agent. This is an important step to ensure that everything works as expected. Adjust any settings, if necessary, based on the preview responses you receive. Once you're satisfied with the functionality and performance, the last step is to click on Deploy. This will activate your agent, allowing you to share it with your team or connect it with external applications. And there you have it, your AI agent is ready to go. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.